So I've always seen the Welsh dragon as something which is quite representative of Wales and the culture, and just a piece of iconography. And I've always wanted to maybe make some work around it. So for St. David's Day this year, we thought it'd be great to, make a big old dragon and then put some Ketnipz flair on it. So that's what we did. To get involved with this project just because I feel like St. David's is such an important day for our culture, and it was almost like a challenge for me to see how could I make something which is obviously Welsh but also Ketnipz, and find a nice balance between the two. The St. David's holiday is all about celebrating doing the small things. My character, the Bean, has always been about, first of all, it's a very small thing in itself, but it does certain things which are trying to be beneficial, and so I think that's really the core of what St. David's was trying to teach. Was it's all the small things you do every day, like opening a door for someone or making someone a cup of tea. It all adds up. It was important to get it all mapped out digitally first, just because that's my bread and butter. But then we did quickly move to making the physical thing and sort of finding a space to do it and all that. And it was sort of a challenge switching to working with ink and things like this, just because I haven't done that in about a year. But doing it now is really fun and refreshing. So yeah, it was a fun process. I hope that any of my work can sort of encourage people to start making and, use art as an outlet. I think especially with COVID and everything going on, it's really hard to sort of find the time to make, but this is, it's a great opportunity to maybe sort of riff on an idea or something like this, and just start being creative.